Lydia Kukeyo. Ringre mamoko abiriyo gol e liete mantiere bunge ma Shakahola e kaunti ma Kilifi odiochieng' ma kawuono. Apisas mag okwach kich kawuono nochako kendo chenro mag manyo ringrego kendo magichwe giyudo ringre e liete adek.
We identified 3 graves, and in these 3 graves we were able to exhume about 7 bodies. One of the graves actually had 4 bodies, while the other 2 had one each, which make them a total of 7 bodies which we've exhumed today. Is an exercise which will go on, and as per what I know, we have about 50 graves which were identified, which we are going to work on until we finish up. One thing that we are also urging members of the public is, if you know that you suspect that there's a missing person at Shakahola who you've never seen, we urge you to have your DNA taken, so that now we can be able to match, because one of the things that we'll be having as a challenge is people not coming up to get their DNA, so that now we can cross-check with the bodies which we have at the mortuary.